still gorgeous after all these years. And I'm so glad that, I have your genes. You know what I mean? Anyway, happy birthday to my stunning mom, and may your birthday be as lovely as you are. Always take good care of yourself, always be healthy, and I hope to see you soon. So happy birthday, enjoy your day. I love you, Nestle. I love you.
Hello naman po dyan kay Ma'am Kumaring Pam who is celebrating her birthdays today. Diba? Ma'am Kumaring Pam is a really good friend, guys, na tinatawag. A good friend na tinatawag. I just met her in YT. She just came by in my live streaming, send me a special message in my live stream that caught my eyes, diba? Alam niyo ba si Ma'am Kumaring Pam is a kind of a person na pwede niyong matawag na kaibigan, guys. Not just because napaka-generous na kaibigan. It is because napaka-totoong tao, guys. Totoong taong nakilala ko sa YouTube world. Yet we became friends outside YouTube. Bago ko ibigay yung aking birthday greetings kay Ma'am, let me just tell you guys that without our friends, life would be very dull. You know, it is. It is a wonderful thing when people from different backgrounds can come together and become friends na tinatawag. There's such joy in meeting up with a good friends for a cup of coffee or to catch up. Our friends are always there for us, and without that friendship, guys, we can feel very lost, di ba? Mararamdaman nyo parang kulang, di ba? That's how I feel nung we become close friend ni Ma'am Kumaring Pam. Sabi ko, pag minsan hindi ko nakikita siya, then bigla na lang bubulagain ka, di ba? May mga special messages sa live streaming ko si Ma'am Kumaring Pam. Yet I am so very thankful and always grateful to have Ma'am Kumaring Pam in my live streaming. I'm always happy. And you know what, guys? Napaka-informative na nagla-live stream si Ma'am Kumaring Pam. That is all that thing that matters to me. Marami akong ideas na nakuha, information regarding sa pag-YT. It is because batikang YouTuber si Ma'am Kumaring Pam. And you know what? Some of our friends carry similar personalities and interests to us. And others, the complete opposite na rin. Sabi nga, whatever the friendship combination, guys, it is always important to nourish the connection. Kapag nandun sa akin si Ma'am Kumaring Pam sa aking live streaming, I am always grateful and thankful kasi I always remembered na at nandito yung napaka-informative na nagla-live stream. Marami akong natutunan sa kanya. Kaya I always nourish the connection, guys, na kapag ka nakikita ko yung pangalang Kumaring Pam na pumasok sa aking live streaming, that's all the thing that I think of. You know what, guys? There's no better day than a birthday to celebrate and acknowledge who a friend means to you. Diba? Let me just acknowledge to you, guys. Ma'am Kumaring Pam is celebrating her birthdays. A fulfilled years ang nangyayari, diba? Meron man na mga ups and downs sa mga nakaraang taon. Let's just move on, Ma'am Kumaring Pam. Ganon lang. The thing is that we are here for you. No matter what happened, Ma'am Kumaring Pam. I couldn't imagine a better friends. I would like to thank all the happy memories, ma'am, na every time pumapasok ka sa aking live streaming, that is the most grateful and thankful days na nandito sa akin, special friend ko to. a good friend ko to. Di ba? Now that you are celebrating your birthday, ma'am, let me just tell you, let me just give you one wish. I wish you a good health. Di ba? Good health lang, ma'am. I wish you a good health. Things may come up with that. I wish you a good health, ma'am. And, syempre, wealth na rin, di ba? I wish you a good health and more birthdays to come, Ma'am Kumaring Pam. Di ba? You are celebrating your birthday, ma'am, and I wish you also, ma'am, happiness in life with your family and with your someone special. Don't worry, ma'am, nandito kami para sa iyo. And now, you are celebrating your birthday. Happy birthday to you, Ma'am Kumaring Pam. And sana, fulfilled dreams ang darating sa iyo at sa mga susunod pang araw. Huwag ka mag-alala, ma'am. I love you, Ma'am Kumaring Pam. Diba? From your host, guys, ako po si Uragon. Nagbabati ng isang masaganang kaarawan at panibagong taon na masaganang another years, di ba? Para kay Ma'am Kumaring Pam. Happy birthday to you, Ma'am Kumaring Pam, and God bless you more.
Hello, Kumaring Pam. Advance happy birthday sa'yo. Kung i-play mo man to sa birthday mo, happy birthday sa'yo. Yun lang, masasabi ko. Sana mag-ingat ka parati kung saan ka man pupunta, kahit sa trabaho mo, alam mo naman yung panahon na yan. Ingat ka lang sa tawag nito. Kapasalamat ako sa mga nagawa mo sa akin, yung sa pag-mentor mo sa akin. Nagpapalaking bagay na ginawa mo sa akin. Kaya yun, thank you very much. So, hindi ko nahabaan yung sasabihin ko sa'yo. Basta ingat ka lang parati. Ingat sa kalusugan, alam mo naman panahon na yan. Yun lang. God bless. Saka yun lang siguro. Yun lang masasabi ko sa'yo. Salamat. Bye.
Hi, Mami Kumaring Pam. Happy birthday. Sending special wishes your way for you to have a delightful day. Happy birthday again, Mami Kumaring Pam.
Happy birthday, Tita Pam. Happy birthday, Tita Pam. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Tita Pam. I love you. Happy birthday, Tita Pam. Happy birthday, Tita Pam. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Tita Pam. Love you, Tita Pam.
Hi, Mommy Pam! Happy birthday! And we wish you better health and more birthdays to come. We are very thankful for your kindness and that we have met you on YouTube. And we hope that you enjoy your special day. And God bless!
Happy birthday, Kumaring Pam. Wish you all the best and sana maging mapigas sa iyong kaarawan. Mag-iingat ka po lalo dyan. You're the best, Mommy of the world. Bye-bye.
Hello Ninang Pam, happy birthday sa'yo. And sana bigyan ka pa ni God ng malusog na katawan or kalusugan. And syempre of course blessings. More blessings to come po. And more birthdays to come. And enjoy po your birthday this coming October 11. And gusto lang kitang tugtugan ng munting regalo ko sa aking ukulele ng happy birthday song. Sana po ay magustuhan nyo Ninang Pam. Yon! And once again, happy birthday Ninang Pam. And enjoy your day. God bless you. Bye-bye.
Ayan, hi Ninang Kumarag Pam. Happy birthday po. And maraming salamat po na naging ninang po kita at nagiging inaanak mo ako. Thank you po sa lahat ng suporta mo. At thank you po dahil sobrang bait mo po at nandyan ka po lagi. Napakabait mo po, Ninang. Sana po lahat kagaya mo. I salute you talaga, Ninang. And thank you. Kahit na sa YT lang tayo nagkakilala, ang gaan-gaan ang loob ko sa'yo. Parang nagkita na kita matagal na. Ayan po. Kaya, napaka-happy ko po na naging ninang kita. Thank you po so much, Ninang, and happy birthday. And I wish you all the best. I love you, Ninang. Bye-bye.
Hi Ninang, happy birthday. I wish you have many more birthdays to come. More blessings and stay sexy as always. I am here to support you and ingat ka dyan lagi. God bless you. Bye-bye.
Hello, Ninang. Happy birthday. Wish ko sa birthday mo, Ninang, na more birthdays to come in your life. Kasama family mo. More blessing. Ingatan mo lagi yung sarili mo, Ninang. Bawal magkasakit ngayon. Enjoy your day, Ninang. God bless. Happy birthday.
Hello, Ate Kumaring Pam. Happy birthday. Wish ko sa birthday mo sana bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng mahabang taon to celebrate more birthdays to come. And also, Ate Shawi, stay happy, healthy, take care, most especially yung health mo. At sana always put in your heart how strong woman we are. How strong this, because we overcome all the struggles, circumstances that comes to our life. So, Ate Shawi, baka magalit ka na naman kasi tinawag kitang Ate Shawi. Actually, magkamukha talaga kayo. May kahawig talaga kayo sa mukha ni Ate Shawi. And pagbigyan mo na kami kasi doon kami masaya. Alam mo na, ang hilig mong magbigay ng saya sa amin. Anyways, Ate Shawi, thank you so much. Thank you for being so nice to us. And thank you dahil nakisabay ka sa kulitan namin. Thank you so much kasi napaka-lovely mo, honestly. Actually, at first, akala ko talaga napaka-snub mo. Akala ko talaga napaka-arte mo. Akala ko hindi ka talaga namamansin. Akala ko din namimili ka ng tao. Pero lahat ng yon puro maling akala. Kasi yung totoo, habang tumatagal, habang nag-join ako sa mga LS mo, the more ko nakilala kung sino ikaw. Kaya, thank you so much kasi nahawa din kami sa pagiging marespetado mo sa ibang tao, sa pagiging mapagmahal. Thank you so much kasi andyan ka din, nakaalalay sa amin, nagbibigay advices. And one thing, Ate Shawi, Ate Kumaring Pam, one thing is, can we ask permission na kunin ka namin na ninang ni Alan? Soon, sana papayag ka kasi I know and I believe me and Alan, bibigyan mo kami ng best advices, guidance, At saka, kung gaano ka-strong yung relationship mo with your hubby, I know, isi-share mo din yan sa amin. So, Ate Kumaring Pam, we're looking forward with you, the consistency of our communication. Sana hindi maputol man o ma-disconnect man tayo sa isa't isa, but as long as the technology, the internet exists, kahit gaano ka pa kalayo, kahit gaano ka pa layo sa amin, pero I believe through technology you connect with us, di ba? You will connect with us. And also, Ate Shawi, thank you so much kasi minahal mo ang Team Siupaw. Thank you so much kasi napaka-emotional naman kasi sa totoo lang, sa iyo lang ako open sa mga pangyayari ko sa buhay. Maging open din ako na lawakin pa yung pag-iisip ko, yung beat prank, di ba? Kasi sa totoo lang, nakakahawa yung paglalambing mo, yung straight to the point magsalita. Sa totoo lang talaga nakuha ko yan sa iyo and na-learn ko yan sa iyo. So, stay as you are. Stay as down-to-earth person, understanding, mapagmahal, and please, ingat ka lagi and be happy always. Kung ano man yung mga sadness, loneliness na nararamdaman natin minsan, I hope ma-overcome natin yan because we must trust God. We must put God here, that He always with us no matter what. So, Ate Shawi, happy birthday! Oh, Ate Kumaring Pam! happy birthday! Love you! Mwah! Ingat!
Greetings from us, Jen and Alan. Happy birthday, Ninang Pam. Wish more birthdays to come and good health. God bless. Enjoy your day.
Ninang Kumaring Pam. Mega love shout out sa iyo. Una po sa lahat, nais po namin kayong batiin ng isang malutong na maligayang kaarawan, 10 ng aking kasamaan sa eksena sa kusina. Si Kumaring Pam po guys, ay isa po talagang napakabait na YouTuber. Sumusuporta po sa lahat ng mga naging kaibigan niya sa mundo ng YT World. Mapagmahal. At sa sobra po niyang pagmamahal is marami na po siyang inampun. Marami na siyang mga inaanak sa mundo ng YT World. Sana po maging matagumpay po kayo sa career nyo sa YT World. Salamat po sa patuloy na pagsuporta sa eksena sa kusina at kay It's Me, Aisa07 na aking butihing may bahay. Maraming salamat po sa Ninang Kumaring Pam. I love you and happy birthday po ulit sa iyo. God bless po. Maraming salamat po.
Happy birthday, Ninang Pam. Happy birthday, Ninang Pam. Happy birthday, Ninang Pam. Happy birthday, Ninang Pam.
Happy birthday, Ninang. Happy birthday, Ninang. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ninang. Happy birthday, Ninang. More birthdays to come. At maraming salamat sa iyo, Ninang. Sa maaga mo pong pamasko sa aking mga bulilit. Kay Amber, kay Amlin. Maraming salamat po. At sa patuloy niyo pong pagsuporta sa aming mag-asawa ni Samboy. Salamat po, Ninang. Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday to my beloved, beautiful and very supported with us my Ninang Kumaring Pam. Ninang, I wish you always good health. And I know, Ninang, gaano kita kamahal sa amin ni Atan. I am very, very thankful to God na nakilala kita dito sa YT. Parang ina ka namin ni Atan. Ninang, I am so blessed that you are part in my life. Thank you so much, Ninang. Thank you for loving me, and to my husband Atan. I love you so much, Ninang. Gaano kita kamahal, mahal na mahal kita, Ninang. Yes, Ninang. Once again, wala akong masabi sa iyo, Ninang. Kasi super bait ka, Ninang. Napakabait. Wala akong masabi sa iyo. I love you so much. Once again, Ninang, happy birthday. Enjoy sa life mo. And nandito lang kami ni Atan. Nagmamahal sa iyo. I love you, Ninang. Mama.
Hello! Mag-greet po ako sa iyo, Ninang Kumaring Pam. Happy birthday sa iyo. And more blessing to come to you and your family. And enjoy po tayo. Enjoy mo yung buhay mo. Lagi kang mag-ingat dyan. God bless. God bless sa inyo, ha. God bless you with your husband, and you also. Happy birthday. Have a great day. Mabuhay ka sa birthday mo. Thank you very much. We love you. Mwah.
Alright. Gusto ko lang batiin ang aking ninang na talaga naman at pag pumupunta yan kay Master Rai sa LS ko, nininervyos na ako. Bakit ka mo? Magpapakulay na yan. Oo. Ano papakulay? Magpapalipad na ng donation dyan, super chatter. And then may kasunod na message doon sa ilalim. Biglahan nyo kung ano. Kumanta ka muna, host, bago ka magsimula. Agoy, ayun, yari na tayo. So anyway, I just want to greet you, my dear Ninang, all the way from Melbourne, Australia. A happy na birthday pa. Yon. At I just want you to enjoy your day, your life as it is, diba? In general. At I speak blessings upon blessings and favors upon favors sa buhay mo. Keep spreading that love, diba? Always smile regardless of the things that is happening to us, diba? It's okay. God has better plans ahead of you. O isang message na sa'yo in Jeremiah 29:11. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to give you hope and a future. Hindi lang para sa iyo, kundi para sa pamilya mo. So,
hi, Sisi Kumaring Pam. All I want to say is happy birthday to you and wish you all the best in life. And I wanna dedicate this song to you. Happy birthday to you, Sisi Kumaring Pam, Lalats. I love you so much and always take care there. And this song is dedicated to you, my friend.
Spent up my life looking for the reason things must change. Spent up my life try to make them stay the same. Love would fade like summer into fall. All that I could see was a mystery. It made no sense at all. the will of the wind. You feel it and then it will pass you, blowing steady. It comes and it goes, and God only knows. You must keep your sails on ready, so when it begins, get all that you can. You must befriend the will of the wind. Spent so many hours thinking about the way things might have been. So many hours try to bring the good times back again. So it goes for lonely-hearted fools. They let their days slip away until they give in to the will of the wind. You feel it and then it will pass you, blowing steady. It comes and it goes, and God only knows. You must keep your sails on ready, so when it begins, get all that you can. You must befriend the will of the wind. Happy birthday, Lalab Sisi Kumaring Pam. So when it begins, get all that you can. You must befriend the will of the wind. Happy birthday again, Sisi Lalabs Kumaring Pam.
Mega love shout out sa'yo, Lalabs Kumaring Pam. I just want to say happy birthday to you. I wish that you have many more birthdays to come and more blessings to come. Salamat sa pagkakaibigang nabuo sa YT. Salamat sa support ang binibigay mo lagi sa amin kapag nag-i-LS kami, na kahit nakasakay ka sa tren ay nagta-thumbs up ka or kakain ka ay inuuna mo pang mag-thumbs up bago ka kumain. Salamat sa lahat ng suporta. Again, happy birthday to you and more birthdays to come. I love you, Mama Chup Chup. Party party!
Hello, Kumaring Pam. Kumusta? Una sa lahat, happy birthday to you. At saka masasabi ko sa iyo, Kumaring Pam, napakagaling mo po. Kahit di tayo nag-meet sa personal, pero alam ko napakabait nyo po. Kasi ganito kasi yon, kahit di ka namin member sa aming Team Solid Gold Bodies ay alam namin andun ka lagi, halos andun ka lagi sa lahat ng LS sa bawat member namin, lalo na sa akin, di ba? At saka sa katunayan dyan ay sa aming membro ay mayroon ng nagmumuni na, at saka katunayan doon ay isa ka doon sa nakatulong sa kanilang What's Our. So yun, salamat sa iyo. Sana hiling ko sa Diyos ay sana bigyan ka pa ng mahabang buhay, tsaka more blessing, at puro ako dito, at saka sana bigyan ka ng magandang pangangatawan kasama ng iyong pamilya. So yun, uulitin ko, happy birthday sa iyo, Kumaring Pam. At yun, salamat, happy birthday, and wish you all the best. Tama ba yun? Bye. Happy birthday, Kumaring Pam.
Ayan, good evening sa iyo, Ma'am Kumaring Pam. Ayan, gabi na dito. Ayan, ayan si Manalo Nightbot. Ayan, I would like to say happy birthday to you. Ayan. Sana ayan ay matikman namin ang iyong mga handa ngayon. Ayan,
Happy
kung
birthday, Ma'am
malapit
Kumaring
kami.
Pam.
Kaso malayo kami kaya ito pinapaabot namin ang aming pagbati. Ayan. Mula sa video na ito, ayan. From Manalo Vlogs, ayan. Again, happy birthday to you, Ma'am Kumaring Pam.
Wish
Ayan.
namin na maging masaya ang birthday mo, humaba pa ang buhay mo, Ma'am Kumaring Pam. Lagi mong tatandaan, nandito kami sa tabi mo. So, ano man ang mga pagdaanan, lahat na yun yung paghihirap natin ay maano ng natin. Basta ang importante, lagi mong tatandaan, mahal ka namin. And happy birthday, love you, Mom.
Ayan.
God
Happy
bless.
birthday again, Ma'am Kumaring Pam, and God bless. Ayan. From Manalo Vlogs.
Yes, from Manalo Vlogs, Ma'am. And to also, Maki, say happy birthday to Lola Kumaring Pam. Love you, Ma'am Kumaring Pam.
Happy birthday, Kumaring Pam. Wishing you good health, happy and wealthy family, and more blessings to come.
And more success to your career and YouTube channel. Happy birthday, Kumaring Pam. From Joycey Joyce Vlogs.
And Marlon Technique TV.
We love you.
They're gonna make a shout out to Kumaring Pam. Kumaring Pam. Happy birthday to you. More birthday to comes.
Dreamer,
Enjoy your birthday.
I must be dreaming,
We love you.
or am I really lying?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Kumaring Pam. And sa Kumaring ng Bayan na napaka-sweet, napaka-thoughtful, and napakaganda ang Ate Shawi namin. Walang iba si Kumaring Pam. Maligayang karoon sa'yo at nais kong malaman mo na nandito lang ako na isang kaibigan mo dito sa Malaysia o kahit saan man panig ng mundo na sumusuporta at nagmamahal sa'yo. And may God bless you more blessings and more happiness in life. I love you and happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Hello, Kumaring Pam, ang aming kaibigan sa ating pong Bumpuyatan LS. Grabe, ang masyado talagang very supportive yan si Kumaring Pam namin. Hello po. Ayan. This is Kuya Michael po pala from Manalo Family Vlog and I want to greet Kumaring Pam. A happy birthday to you. Ayan. I hope mag-enjoy ka po sa inyong birthday celebration. Ayan. And God bless for another year of life again. And God bless your family, your kids, your husband. I know you're happy with your family right now. And kahit puro hugot ang iyong mga vlog, ayan, I know you're happy with your family and congratulations po sa channel nyo kasi malaki na po yung channel nyo. And maraming salamat po ulit again sa pagsuporta sa mga maliliit na channel na kagaya namin. Ayan, and we do appreciate yung palagi nyo pong pagpasyal at pagbisita sa amin. And thank you nga po pala, kahapon, nung isang araw po, ayan, kumanta kayo, nag-guesting kayo, kumanta pa. Ayan, may boses pala si Kumaring Pam. Keep it up. Sana po makakanta po ulit kayo sa LS natin. Ayan. We miss you. Absent kayo ngayon. Ayan. Anyway, happy birthday again. And God bless po. Thank you so much. Happy birthday. Enjoy your special day.
Hello, Ate Pam! Happy birthday to you! More birthdays to come in your life. Thank you so much sa pag-appreciate mo sa amin. Thank you so much sa pagiging mabuti mo sa amin. Especially kay Kuya Mike. At thank you din sa pag-appreciate lagi sa mga kanta ko para sa'yo kahit hindi naman kanais-nais pakinggan yung boses. At sa pakikijoin mo sa amin. Sana marami pang blessings na darating sa'yo, sa buhay mo, sa family mo, of course. Again, happy birthday to you. Love, love, love. We love you so much.
Surprise! Birthday girl! Wow! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you, Kumaring Pam! Papaya ka ba? Papaya, sana ako kung papayag na mahag kita. By the way, wish ko lang sa'yo, Kumaring Pam, more birthday to come and more blessings to come in your life. And thanks sa mga pakulay mo doon sa YT ni Manalo. Wow! Saka, again, we wish you a happy birthday. We wish you a happy birthday. We wish you a happy birthday. We wish you a happy birthday to my Kumaring Pam. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Kumaring Pam. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ayan. Maligayang kaarawan sa iyo, aking kaibigan, Kumaring Pam. God bless you. And sana marami ka pang mapasayang mga viewers mo. And stay safe palagi. And ingatan ang kalusugan. Ayan. Happy birthday sa iyo, Kumaring Pam. Happy birthday. Enjoy your party. Enjoy your birthday. Happy birthday once again.
Hello, Kumaring Pam. Happy birthday to you, Kumaring Pam. Best wishes for you and stay good, health, and pretty. And then, nandito lang kami ni Junea Metz para sa iyo.
Happy birthday, Kumaring Pam. God bless you.
God bless you, Kumaring Pam. We love you so much. Bye-bye.
Sa vlogger na mabait, masipag, makwela. Happy birthday, Kumaring Pam. More birthdays to celebrate, more candles to blow, and may all your wishes be fulfilled. Happy birthday. Mwah.
Ayan, happy birthday, Kumaring Pam. At we pray na sana God will give you more birthdays to come. At saka syempre sa channel mo, sana lalong dumami pa yung mga subscribers mo. God bless you and happy birthday.
Hi, Kumaring Pam! Happy birthday to you. May you have many more birthdays to come. Enjoy the day with your husband. Talagang alam ko naman na masayahing tao ka talaga. I am really so happy na nakilala kita sa YT. And thank you so much po sa pagsuporta mo kay Don Jose Negosyante. I hope you can also try to support my second channel, yung Junjun Negosyante. Yan po, Kumaring Pam. Once again, happy birthday to you. Bye-bye!
Hi, hello! Mega shoutout kay Ate Kumaring Pam na today is her birthday at nais ko siyang batiin ng happy birthday, Ate Pam. Wishing you all the best and may the God continue to bless you dahil napakabait niyo po. Super sweet pa. Ayan. Thank you for always supporting me, Ate Pam, and I hope you enjoy this day. At sana bigyan ka pa ng maraming blessing ni Lord. And stay pretty as always. I love you, Ate Pam.
Ayan, kay Ate Pam, happy birthday sa kumare ng bayan, sa kumare ng YouTube. Happy birthday, ate. Wishing you all the best in life, happy life. Ayan, good health for you and to your family and to your husband as well. Thank you for being my friend here in YouTube. And sana hindi lang dito sa YouTube tayo magiging friend, kundi sa personal, ganyan. Personal lang. Yan, happy birthday. Ingat ka lagi dyan sa Australia, ate. Maraming salamat for giving me the chance to greet you here in YT para sa iyong birthday. It's my pleasure to greet Wonder Woman. Ayan, wonderful woman. Ayan, sa YouTube. Happy birthday ulit, ate. I love you.
Mega shout out to Winnie. Ayan, it's interesting though kung paano tayo nag-click kahit na dito lang sa mga live streams lang. But I think that's because na napaka-totoo mong tao. Ayan. At nakikita ko yan sa iyong mga anak-anakan, sa iyong mga inaanak, how you treat them. And I would say na they are very blessed na ikaw ay naging mother to them. Kasi, para napaka-ano mo sa kanila napaka-concern mo sa kanila, napakabait mong nanay sa kanila, napaka-supportive mo. At nakikita ko rin sa mga kaibigan mo na na umakyat like sila ni Sweetie Mom, sila ni Jonax Boy. Ayun, napaka-hospitable mong tao. Napakabait mo. Ayan. So, sana also na mapanood nila yung video na yung live stream mo na the 10th unexpected live streaming, because that was really something very inspiring and encouraging. You mentioned about, like loving your parents, telling them how much you love them. Kasi pag namatay na, wala ka ng hindi mo na masasabihan sila. And also, yung pagka-addict mo sa pag-aaral, my gosh. Sinasabi mo na yung pag-aaral talaga ay walang edad na pinipili. And I myself actually nag-isip, mag-aral kaya ako? Because I'm so tamad mag-aral. I don't even like reading books. But sa live stream na yun, kung mapanood nila yon, sana ay ma-inspire sila at, mag-aral sila ng mabuti parang sa'yo. And good luck, Twinnie, sa yung goal. Sana maging doctor ka in the future despite sa edad na yan. So, mega happy birthday to you. Alright?
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Kumaring Pam.
Yan, birthday mo na. So, happy birthday. Wish lang namin na maging healthy ka araw-araw at lalong-lalo na sa yung trabaho na maging maging active na active ka lalo.
Salamat sasabi ko, Kumaring Pam, sana sa birthday mo lahat ng kasiyahan ay makakamit mo at sana bigyan ka pa ng maraming birthday pa na darating at sana mabuti yung pamilya mo at yung kalusugan mo ang pinaka-importante. Nandito lang kami, Kumaring Pam. Kaibigan mo kami habang buhay. Happy birthday to you.
Yun nga, sabi ni Two Loves, andito lang kami para suportahan ka sa anumang nandiyan dyan sa'yo. Sabi ka lang, kumatok ka lang dyan sa cellphone. Nandito lang kami. Hindi nga lang namin ikaw mapupuntahan dahil nandyan ka, layo mo eh. Ang layo din namin. Sana sa pag-birthday mo, yung araw na yun, makakain ka sa labas, makapasyal ka, at least kahit pa paano, kumpleto ka. Hindi naman namin maririgaluhan ng bahay at lupa. Wala kaming pambili nun. Kami ng dalawa, walang bahay at lupa eh. Diba to, loves? Tapos, pwede naman sa paso, sabi nga ni Jonax, sa paso na lang pwede daw. Pwede lang. Pero yung regalo ko sa'yo talaga, sa totoo lang, pag-iipunan kita ng mga headband. Kasi para lagi mo akong maalala. Dahil yan ang paborito mong bago ka pumasok sa LS, hinahanap mo yung headband mo eh. Kaya yan ang ibibigay ko sa'yo. Sana maging maligaya ka sa iyong kaarawan at sana ay lalong lumawig ang iyong buhay at gumanda ka palalo. Diba?
Okay.
Sana. Ito, love you.
Love you.
Happy birthday.
Love you.
Yan, hindi na natapos. Love you ni Tulalab sa'yo. Love you.
Gina.
Hello, Sister Pam. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Sis, maraming salamat sa lahat ng support mo sa akin, sa lahat. Maraming thank you po. Salamat dahil naging part ka na ng buhay ko. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. May God shower you with more blessings today and always. Happy birthday!
Hi Pam, ginawa ko tong video para i-greet ka ng happy birthday. So, happy birthday to you. Sana mas marami ka pang candle na may blow. And sana pagpalain ka pa. And yung channel mo, sana lalago pa ng lalago. So, keep on uploading. And kahit nasa tayo sa YouTube, yung nagkakilala, pero at least marami akong nakilalang friends sa YouTube. So, isa ka na rin doon. So, blessed ako na nakilala kita. So, I would like to greet you a happy birthday and more candles to blow, and God bless to you and God bless the channel mo. So, pagpatuloy na natin yan, yung ating channel, lalago din yan balang araw. So, once again, happy birthday, this is Miko. So, thank you.
Hi, Kumaring Pam! Today's your birthday and I would like to greet you a happy birthday. Stay sweet as you are, and I'm so glad that I meet you in YT community, and we've been hanging out for a while now, and I am very happy na naging part ka ng aking YouTube journey, and you're one of my inspiration kung bakit ko tinuloy yung pag-YouTube ko, and keep inspiring others, and enjoy your day. Happy birthday, Kumaring Pam, and I wish you all the best in life. Stay humble and stay kind as always as you are. Happy birthday. Love you.